Molly, do you have enough Chewies? She's laying in a pile of 4 Chewies.
It's funny.
It's very Tyson-like.